All right. Whoa, what day is it? Wrong day. It is Thursday, July 15th, 2021. It is vlog 123. I think 123. Vlog 123. Ba-ba. Cool. It is a Thursday. Yesterday I did not do a vlog. It was Wednesday. It was kind of, I don't know, it's tiring. It's been hot lately. And it's been very tiring. But yesterday, Wednesday, I did wake up at 9, did a morning chore, litter box, and then some computer work, and then Maddie lesson. Had a Maddie handpan lesson yesterday, which was really cool. And actually, Maddie was a little bit tired, and she said she was up early. She got up early, like at 5 in the morning. It was kind of crazy. But she looked kind of tired, and her energy was low, so we got a little bit of practice in there. She would rather play than practice today, or that day, but it was all good. We filmed a few things. I think, what did we play? We played tag. That's always a tiring game. And then we played sardines. I never played this before, but it sounds pretty cool. It's like hide and seek, but one person hides and then everybody else looks for them. And then once you find somebody, you can like hide with them, I guess. And you pack up like sardines, and then until, I guess, I don't know what you do after. I don't know if we got that far. I have to look at the footage. It was pretty funny. But that's kind of crazy. I never played sardines. If you guys know about sardines, let me know. And they did another tennis court race, but those girls were super tired. I guess they before the lesson they usually do dance, so they were pretty tired. So it's all good, Maddie Hattie. But Maddie, keep on practicing. I will see you next time. Actually, what did I think I had her singing the notes, and it was pretty cool to hear her voice. She has a very pretty voice. Tom showed up. It was cool. Their parent, or Maddie and Hattie's dad. And then always a good time with Tim and Steph. They're always cool. We always have good conversation. Let's see. Then Ook Social after that. Dean and Hadley. Actually, no Nikki. Hey. I think she might have told me she was going to be gone. But anyways, it was good though. Dean, usually he only can stay for a little bit, but he got to stay on. It was kind of cool. And then Hadley was on, and it was good. Good times. Turkey burger for dinner. I put no vlog. And then today, I woke up. Actually, I wasn't. Lately, I haven't. Usually, I used to be like an eggs, bacon breakfast guy, and now I just don't feel like it. I just feel like a juice or something really light in the morning. Pretty crazy. Smoothies, stuff like that. But actually, I feel more energetic when I do that, so it might be something. Little handpan jam in the morning. I was just working on like different beats. It's kind of cool. I learned a couple new ones. And then decided to do a bike ride skate today, which was cool. I went over to the usual Cherry Park, hung out, saw Ray there. That was cool. I haven't seen Ray in a while. And then skated for a little bit, wasn't feeling it. So I went over to Ghetto Park, or 14th Street, or Mike Green Park. You know, there's a lot. 14th Street. But yeah, went to skate the ramp. There's a lot of scooter guys there though. It's kind of scary. There's like actually a lot of them. A lot of scooter guys, and they were just going. And it was kind of hard to skate in between them because you can't hear scooters. And like you turn around, they're like right there. You're like, whoa. But saw Brandon there. Brandon. It's always good to see him. And got a few runs in on the ramp. I was just cruising today. It was kind of hot, so it was kind of crazy. I was doing like endless kick flips and I can't get it. Actually, I landed a couple all funky, but I don't count those. Ta-da. But anyways, and then I rode back to Cherry, and it was funny because I was just hanging out and there's more skaters there, and then people are just chilling. Oh yeah, before Ray, when I was there before, Ray had a jump rope, one of those speed ropes, and then I tried it. I was jump roping at that time. I came back and then he was trying to jump rope, and then this one guy came over, one of the homies, he's all, yo, he goes, I know how to do that, and then he did the cross, and then I was like, oh my god, it was so funny. I have some video of it, it's pretty funny. Actually, I'll show it to you right now. Yeah, that was them at Cherry Park. I could not believe that footage. It's kind of crazy. Actually, thinking about it, I'm not gonna put that footage. I'm gonna do a whole video. So check out the video. Check out the video. I changed my mind. I'm not gonna show you guys right now. But it was fun. It was a good bike ride today. It was hot, so it was good sweaty. And then got acai bowls. Went to acai bowl or True Nature to get acai bowls. And came back, and actually I just ate my acai bowls, and I'm just kind of chilling. Kaylee's home. She's chilling too. That's kind of cool. And yeah, it's like the after warm day and the sun's setting, so it's kind of a nice time right now. So might spend some time on the porch, which is cool. But anyways, yeah, it is Thursday, and actually I do have footage of the yesterday with Maddie and Hattie. That was kind of cool, so I'll probably do another tag. We don't have a tag video, so I'll do a tag video. And the sardines, and then they had a race again, the tennis court race, so it's part 2, so I'm gonna do that too. Super funny. And I think we have a little jam also. I don't know how we did. We were just kind of like messing around, but that was just to get her to hit the hand pan. But I'll look through it and see if we have any good stuff in there. But anyways, that's all I have for me today. It's been a nice day. I'm not going to show the weather. I haven't done a tuning yet, so I'll do that right now. I love doing that. But anyways, oh yeah, put my ukulele. That's all I have for us today. It's Thursday, July 15th, 2021. It is vlog 123. That's kind of cool. And like always, every day, I like to say, keep on strumming ukulele.